I've read over 250 personal finance and business books. Not one of them explains specific issues that affect medics, like the NHS pension, taxes, financial anxiety, investing, student loans, and much more. Hi, I'm Dr. Andy Egwim. I'm the founder of MoneyWiseDoctor.com. For over 21 years, I've been investing and studying personal finance. In fact, I left my salary GP job 3 years ago, my NHS job, after achieving financial freedom. And since then, over 1,200 medics have joined our tax-efficient investing masterclasses. And much more than that, 10,000 doctors and healthcare professionals have used my content to make smarter financial decisions to avoid costly mistakes. That's why I wrote The MoneyWise Doctor, to simplify the path from confusion to clarity for medics, to help them make smarter financial decisions, and so that we can avoid these costly mistakes, especially the tax traps, and secure our financial future. We already helped thousands of doctors to learn how to save smarter, invest tax efficiently, and finally feel in control. So, they're ready to gain clarity, confidence, and control with your money.
Click on the link to pre-order your copy, plus free bonuses.